And the next question is, what is the value of 255? Scott,
5,000.
5,000 is the correct answer.
Grabe ang bilis, no? Ang ginawa niya, kinuha niya ang technique ng difference of two squares by using the formula of a squared minus b squared. And if you're going to spread this thing out, that will be a minus b and a plus b. So 255 will represent as a and 245 as b. Kung isa-substitute natin yan, that will be 255 minus 245. Tapos dito naman, 255 plus 245. And if you're going to subtract this, that will be 10. And if you're going to add this, that will be 500. Tapos kung i-multiply natin yan, that will be equal to 5,000. Ganun lang po siya kadali.